Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Telegram. So you might want to make a group chat with your friends or with your family. I'll show you how to do that on Telegram. So first things first, go to Telegram. Now once you are on Telegram, click the button to make a new chat, which is in the top right for me right here. So once you click that button, it'll give you the option to make a new group. So click new group. And once you click new group, you can add people to it. Let me add some random people real quick. And once you added the people, click next and name the group. Once you name the group, you can create the group. Now there's a couple things you can do with the group. You can make it a public group or a private group. Let me show you how to do that real quick. Click on the group icon in the top right when you're in the group chat. And once you click on that, click on edit in the top right. And click on group type. If you click on group type, you have the option to change it to public, and you can put in your own name for the link. Once you do that, you can invite people to your group with that link. Now, if you want to invite people while your group is still private, click on the group profile picture again. And once you click on it, you have the option to add members. Click on add members, and you can invite whoever you want to the group. So, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time.